Hi, I'm William at Miss Valley Equipment. Just doing a quick video to show you around our Auger Top drive units, what comes in the box, how it will be delivered to you, and how you go about setting it up and getting it ready to use on your machine. This is an X2500 I'm going to show you on, but this applies throughout the range of S4 drive units from the X1500 through to the 4500 Max. When you receive your drive unit, either as a drive unit on its own or as part of a package, it'll come boxed like this. We'll lift it off, show you what's in it. Get it unwrapped here, show you what's in it, and show you how to go about setting it up. This is how your drive unit will arrive with you. Unless you ask us to assemble it for you, this is how it will come. Unwrapping it out of the box, you've obviously got your drive unit, that's the main piece. There's an auger retaining pin and clip, and there's two hydraulic hoses, one in the bottom of the box and one in the lid of the box. So let me grab the hoses out and I'll show you around fitting them to the drive unit and what's involved in that. Before we go ahead and fit the hoses, every drive unit comes with this warranty card. If you remove it, it's got your running in details and it's also got a bit to register your warranty on the back as well. You can do it this way and send it back to us, or you can do it online. There is a URL on there as well. So this is how your drive will come. We've removed the warranty card, we've removed the retaining pin and clip. As you'll see, there is two hydraulic hose ports in the motor. These will have blanks in them. In the S4 range, they are 1/2 inch BSP. So remove both of them. The important note here is the blanking caps have rubber seals on the bottom. Make sure you remove the rubber seals. Don't leave them on the motor or it will cause your fittings to leak. So remove both of them. Shouldn't need them again. They're purely just for keeping dust and contaminants out of the motor during transport. So as I said, two 1/2 inch BSP hydraulic hoses. Each will have a male and a female fitting on either end. On the female end of the hose, there will be two male-male adapters, and one side will have a rubber washer, a rubber doughty seal there. Take those male-male adapters, screw them into the drive unit with the rubber seal, the washer seal, facing the port on the hydraulic motor. And a quick tip, put the bottom one in first. Reason being, I'll show you in a second. So the only tool you'll need for fitting up the hoses is a 27mm spanner. So put your first male-male adapter in, the bottom one first. As you can see, it makes it easier to reach it with the spanner if you put that one in first. Tighten that up and then follow it up with the top one. That way you can get in again with the spanner just to nip it up tight. Then fairly self-explanatory from there. Your hydraulic hoses have a female and a male end. Your female end then goes on to your hydraulic motor like so. Again, it's just easier to do the bottom one first. 27mm spanner and just nip that up tight. And then just tighten that up with the spanner. So that's both the hoses fitted. The only thing that leaves you is quick release couplers. Quick release couplers are the only thing that's not included with our drive units. If you buy the drive unit on its own or part of a package, it does not include couplers. So we can supply couplers to suit your machine, but as standard, they do not come in the box. So just bear that in mind. Once you've got your relevant couplers, just a male-female flat face pair I'm going to show you with, they just screw on. You'll see there's a seal, a washer seal on the end, the male end of the hose, and they just screw straight on there. They would then tighten up with two 27mm spanners. It does not matter what order you have these hoses in, or what way you have your couplers round, there is no flow and return. Your drive unit, because it rotates both clockwise and anti-clockwise, requires a double acting hydraulic circuit, which means there is no right and wrong way that you can fit these hoses up. Thanks for watching. I'm William at Moose Valley Equipment. If you've got any questions, please leave me a comment, let me know. I'll do my best to answer all of them. If you need any more information on us, on what we sell, on our range of auger torque attachments, please visit our website, moosevalley.com. That's got a full auger torque range, along with the other attachments that we sell both here in the UK and in the USA. And again, any questions, leave me a message, leave me a comment, go on the website, give me a phone, the number's on the website. There's also a WhatsApp number on there if you would prefer to send us a message that way. We will be happy to get back to you with information. So that's it, that's your drive unit set up. We'll do a follow-up video just showing you putting the cradle on, or putting on whatever hitch bracket you're putting on. That's straightforward. Your linkage block just pins through the top of your drive unit using that pin there. This setup is exactly the same for all Auger Torque S4 drive units. So that's the X1500, X2000, X2500 that we've got here. The 3000, the 3500 Max, the 4500 Max. The setup is exactly the same. It's also the same as you go to the S5 drives, although it is larger hoses. It's not the 1/2 inch BSP. I'll do a follow-up video just showing you around one of those as well. Again, thanks for watching. Any more info that you need, leave a comment, let me know. If you want to keep up to date with what we're up to in here, take a look at our Instagram, our Facebook, our TikTok, our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube, just to keep up to date with what we've got going on in here. Cheers!